Steve, it's Jeremy, fine. A man goes into the doctor's and says, Doctor, I keep thinking I've got a strawberry growing out the top of my head.
Oh, what the
Some cream you can put on that. That is fun. Sometimes I'm funner than Boris Johnson. You reckon?
Whoa! Fucking hell. That's on camera.
No, it doesn't. No, they're all separate. So, and when you did put the printhead back in, did you load the snippet back on?
Yeah, snippet. Yeah.
Yeah, because every time it moves with the printhead, you see. So.
Right.
When you change a printhead, you put the snippet back on because it's stored. The NBN value is stored on the printhead itself.
Right. Okay.
So. Yeah, so if you ever have to replace a printhead, remember to reinstall the snippet afterwards. That's it.
Right. Okay, mate.
That's sorted. Alright then, mate.
Alright, mate. I'll speak to you later then.
Catch you later, buddy.
It's give way. Do you know what give way means? Do you know what give way means? No. Yeah. Smile. Smile, yeah. Smashing. Lovely. Oh,
a strong
market. Nearly had yourself off your bike there, mate.
Ring around the top of dried fruit. Oh, yeah.
The A1M southbound, one lane is closed due to a lorry having its tyre changed. That's between junction 35 for the M18 and junction 35.